How you guys doing on this lovely day? No matter what the circumstances is, you are a great human being at the end of the day. Don't let nobody stop you from completing your goal or your success. Just keep on going no matter what. I hope you guys are fighting for what you believe in. Always. Diabetes. 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 Oh. What you doing, girl?
What that mean? Pin. Her daddy. Huh.
Thank you.
Ooh.
Ma, lift that up. There you go. Close it. Close it. Come on, diabetes. It's beautiful out here today, y'all. Diabetes. I don't know where they went. Hope you guys are having a fantastic evening or day or whatever time it is for you. Just stay motivated, stay consistent. Look at these birds, y'all. Yeah, but I just hope y'all having a fantastic day. Just stay on the right path to your right success. Stay on the fullest as possible as you can. Just believe in your energy and the impact you make on the world. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the video.
Hello.
How you guys doing today?
So we're outside. As you can see, it's really nice. It's really beautiful. Y'all, yesterday was my birthday. We had
Happy
fun.
birthday.
Thank you. It's still my birthday,
It's still
y'all.
your birthday.
Even though Ariel's birthday today, y'all. I want to show y'all her, but I don't even know where she is. But her birthday today, so yeah. Anyways,
Look at this
happy
bait.
birthday, Ariel. What is that?
Bait fish.
Oh. Y'all, look at this. It's funny. Gotta be careful.
I got a hook right there. That's the hook.
That's crazy. What is this?
I don't know.
This is probably a fishing pole. Because y'all broke. Anyways, y'all. So we just want to come here and say hello to everybody. Look at beautiful nature. Nature just get. Oh, babe.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this, y'all. This new. I never seen the pink flowers over there. I'm sorry.
You good?
But yeah, y'all. So nature's growing really beautifully. The girls are currently asleep. They had a long day today, y'all. They was playing all day. They was good today. They did good today, y'all. But we had to put them down for a nap. I didn't want to at first, but I kind of figured just for a little bit would be okay. So yeah, we'll be getting them up shortly.
Yeah.
But stay motivated. I say
Stay
motivated.
confident.
Stay motivated. Stay positive.
Stay confident.
Stay confident. Believe in yourself. Never doubt yourself, because why would you doubt yourself when you know you can do anything you put your mind to, right?
You can do anything.
Exactly. But anyways, yes, so be who you are and stay you.
Yeah. And I just hope you guys are having a great day, a consistent day, a joyful day. And then this baby.
Now look. So I spoke to my mom earlier, y'all. And my mom, she thinks I'm having a boy, but I can't really say because I don't know for myself. But if it's a boy, y'all.
That's gonna be crazy because we.
And let me tell y'all, my mom, every time she knows I'm pregnant, she's always correct on what I'm having. Because every time I had a girl, she always knew it was a girl. And mind you guys, my mom had 8 kids, so apparently she knows because she had 8 kids. But hopefully it's a boy, because my stomach is kind of low right now. So we're going to see. Cross your fingers.
Yeah, for real, because like.
That'll be epic.
I want a boy because like it'll be the first time me having a boy too as well, so that'll be great. And then
It'll be a new experience for
Yeah.
us because we have 3 girls, so it'll be like a new experience. It'll be like, it's gonna feel like we're parents all over again,
Yeah.
like new parents because we never had a boy. So we're gonna feel like we're just now starting fresh, like we did with Baby K when we first had a baby.
yep.
We never had a boy, so we know how it is to have a boy. So, oh, look at that birdie over there.
See it, but I don't think they can see it. If we get close, it's gonna fly away. But I don't harm you, so. We just seen we didn't personally see a woodpecker, but we heard one. So
I never heard one around
yeah,
here
I never
before.
heard
That's
one before.
new.
That's what's so new
I
about
wonder
it.
if they come out in the summertime. That's
Probably
probably what
so.
it is, because I never even seen one up close before.
Woody woodpecker. We just seen Woody woodpecker for real.
That bird's just up there chilling.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
But yeah, y'all, so, oh, dang, it's 4 minutes already, it's crazy. But yeah, we're just chilling, y'all. It feels really nice out. I might bring the girls back out when they wake up, depending on if the weather is still the same, because, you know, the weather switches up too much, so. You should,
Yeah, that's a fish thing.
y'all, look at these.
These is fish things.
We should keep these, because when we get fishing rods, we can have stuff to go fishing with. So yeah, y'all, but we'll come back to you guys when the girls wakes up. We're gonna go in the house and just chill until they get up. And yeah, we love y'all.
We love you.
Make
Hope
sure y'all
you guys
subscribe.
have a motivational day too. Nah, we can keep going.
All right, we'll see you guys when they wake up. But we love you guys. Stay tuned, and we'll be back in a little bit, y'all.
Peace. What you doing, huh?
iPad.
Get your iPad.
You always talk about iPad, girl.
Dada.
Hmm.
What'd you say? Hey, y'all. How you guys doing? Say, I know how to potty.
Party.
Yay! You filled your chart up? Yeah. You gonna fill it up tomorrow? High five. That's my girl. Kissy. Oh, I love you. You wanna go night night in a minute? Okay, you can go out there, but in a minute you go night night, okay? Love you. See you. You wanna tell Daddy? Say, love you, Daddy. See you.
Love you too.
Alright, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll hit you in the next video. Peace.